Hi Happy Knitters, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a little special video introducing a KAL that I would like to start in February. So I'm recording this a little early so that you guys can get together your supplies that you would need for this KAL. So it is going to be, I picked a pattern, there's a free pattern on Ravelry. Normally when I do my KALs, I'll let you guys knit whatever you want, but this time I want to do a specific pattern for all of us to be able to knit together so that I can see all of the beautiful colors and things that you guys decide to use. So it's going to be a shawl, and if you have never knit a shawl before, I picked this pattern, and if you are a somewhat of a beginner knitter, this is something that you can handle as well in regards to the pattern. So the name of the pattern is Magic Spring Shawl by Katerina Bobkova. Now, I will link all the information down below this video, so be sure to click on that so you can get the pattern and the specifications of exactly what is needed for this KAL. I know it's going to need 3 skeins of fingering weight yarn, and so you guys can look through your stash, or if you want to buy something new, you can. Like I said, just check out the pattern, and if it's something that you think that you can do, then by all means, please go ahead and participate in this KAL. Now, as far as prizes are concerned, I will list those out in the next podcast with myself and Jordan. But in the meantime, the hashtag for this KAL is going to be Happee Shawl 21. I'll leave that information below here as well. And here's the killer, or the kicker. If you mention hashtag Happee Shawl 21 on Instagram between this video going live and February the 13th, you will be entered into a special drawing for a special prize just for mentioning it and allowing your friends to go ahead and join this KAL as well. All you have to do is mention it, tell them what the KAL is about, and you will be able to possibly win a great prize. So anyway, this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about today, was a KAL that's coming up. So guys, get your yarn together, your skeins, your supplies, and it is going to start February the 14th, and it will run through the end of March 31st. So that way it'll give you a month and a half to knit this KAL at your leisure, no pressure. And like I said, I think it'll be something that'll be fun. I've got plenty of fingering weight yarn behind me, so I'm going to go through my stash and see what I have to put together. Okay, we'll see you in the next podcast. Bye-bye.